Dr. Rodman here, and I want to talk about a surgery that I do pretty often, and that is replacing a chin implant. So removing a chin implant that someone's unhappy with, and then effectively replacing it with a genioplasty, where I take their own bone and slide it forward. I see very often is patients get a chin implant because they want to add some projection to their chin. They want it to stand out more, but they end up with a chin implant that has little wings, and it ends up making their chin look wider and often more square. And that's because we're adding volume to the tip of the chin to give projection, but we're also adding volume to the sides. And in women, it always makes your chin wider. Remove the chin implant and then did a genioplasty instead. And you see in the image below how much smoother and tapered her natural jawline is. You can see here the difference in the width here versus here. You can see it tapers to a much more nice V shape. It looks more slender, and her lower face just looks, I think, a little bit more shapely and a little bit more feminine. You can see below the jawline looks elongated because literally that's what the genioplasty does, is create a slightly longer jawline, but it tapers. And the genioplasty actually, I think, gives her bottom lip a little better support and makes her lips look like they're in a little better position and more proportional. And then finally, she wanted her chin to be a little bit more projected than the projection she was getting with the chin implant. And I can move the chin a little further forward with the genioplasty than I can with the chin implants. This is projection with the chin implant. I measured that implant, saw how big it was, and then added a few more millimeters to how far I pulled her chin forward. And so you can see in this photo how her chin is in better alignment with her lips and in just a generally better position overall. For patients who are unhappy with their chin implant, genioplasty is really a good alternative. It takes your own natural bone and just puts it into a better position, and the cins will look more natural and more shapely and better match your face.